Castle Hill. Time check, it's 7:19. Oh my god, ang ganda talaga dito, no? It's my first time here. I mean, not really first time, but it's our first time na maglakad dito. And sobrang aga niya, 7:19. Umalis kami sa bahay around 6-ish. May past 6 na, so like an hour drive from our house. Medyo malamig. It's 11 degrees. So, pero tolerable naman. So, I'm wearing leggings and crop top pa nga actually Pero, yan. Look, sobrang ganda niya. Hi again, time check, it's 9:16. Here's a Devil Punch Bowl. So we'll be taking the track Devil Punch Bowl instead of the Arthur's Pass walking track. Kasi gusto na makating falls. So, yeah. Weather is so nice. I mean, it's a bit sunny. Hindi masyadong windy. Tapos, yan. Nag-spray lang kami ng insect repellent kasi baka may mga sunflies.
Kanina pa ako nandito. Ma, mag-watermelon kayo. Watermelon! La, kayo na lang magpakuan. Ano ka to? Ala.
Parang restaurant ba? May bundle pag every time. Paano ka nakapasok kanina? Hindi, hindi mo. 261. Hindi ako. kasi sobrang sakit ng tuhod ko. We did 2 hikings kahapon. First in the Castle Hill and then second sa Devil's Punch Bowl sa Arthur's Pass. Nanibago yata yung tuhod ko. Sobrang sakit niya. Parang may nasirang something. First, it was just my left leg. Tapos, now, padalawa na siya. So, I really can't bend my knees properly. So, ito lang yung first aid na meron ako. Yung cutting ko, liniment, oil. I feel like this should help. And also, yung ulo ko, sobrang sakit. Not sure if it's the biyahe kasi halos more than 6 hours yata or 6 hours or more. But I feel like it's 6 hours yung biyahe namin kasi sobrang layo nitong Nelson. And hindi ako nakainom ng motion sickness tablet. So sobrang bangad ko talaga. Anyways, inom ako ngayon. Tapos today agenda is basically kay Terry pero may dadaanan pa kaming iba. Kasi ang pinunta naman kasi talaga namin dito is the Kay Terry Beach. So yun, tambay kami dun mamaya. I'll just update you guys if I can. They gave us a map. Not sure how big this one is, but lumang upuan ng simbahan. Hindi ko alam kung totoong simbahan to. Hindi, I mean, ginagamit pa ba siya? Parang hindi naman, no? Kiss me! Are you open?
Hi, Mike. Are you open?
Ano to, cafe?
Opo, ay talaga po namang ilan po ang kailangan pastaan. Para kailangan po natin bunutin lahat yung
Nag-isa po
taas.
kayo ng butagin nyo eh.
Shell gasoline. Is it real? Ganito talaga. Ay, Shell talaga siya, no? Oh my God! This is very luma. Luma it is. I can't with the smell. I can't stand the smell. Yeah, just one flat white large, please. Thank you. Arrive at Split Apple Rock. 15 minutes mo. here at the Kai Teri Teri Beach. Time check, it's 2:16. We haven't had our lunch yet. So, trying to get a burger. Magsasunblock na naman eh. Okay, so we are back here sa hotel. Hindi kami nakapag-shower, nakapag-wash dun sa Kai Teri Teri kasi walang proper shower, or maybe hindi lang namin alam. But yeah, bumiyahe kami 1 hour and then dito pa kami nag-shower. Which is okay naman yung facilities and all. And time check, it's currently 8 p.m. Sakto, 8 p.m. Nagluluto lang ang mga dade sa baba ng sopas yata. And I'm actually craving for sopas. Well, actually, lugaw. Pero, for sopas yung nabili nila. So, why not? We don't bring any food. We actually brought some foods here. Pero, naubos na namin. So, we had to buy sa Countdown. Oh my God. Yung Countdown dito, it's still Countdown. It's not Woolworths. It's still Countdown. And, nagulat ako kasi yung mga, like, mga Mac's at saka yung mga Burger King, luma pa siya. Like, feeling ko nasa time travel. Nagpunta ako sa past, ganun. Anyways, yun nga. I'm just gonna do my skincare and bababa na ako kasi kakain na din.
Kala ko bibigan.
Ako, wala na.